Morning, students. So yesterday we didn't have time to finish this page. That's why I'm sending this video so we can finish the fact families. Write me number for the fact family. So we're going to write here three numbers. Remember, one is going to be bigger than the others. So first we start counting the additions. 7 plus 7, you can use your fingers. 7 plus 7 is 14. So now I take the 14, that is the biggest number, and I put it here, and I say 14 minus 7, its same number is going to be 7. So fact family have to be with numbers that are relative. So here you have 7, 7, and 14. And here you have it, 14, 7, and 7. So what are the fact families here? 7, 7, and 14. Good job. So this is our exercise is the same. You have 8 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16. So 16 minus 8, your answer is 8. Good job. So 8 plus 8, it's 16. 16 minus 8, it's 8. So what are the fact families? Of course, 8, 8, and 8, and 16, sorry. Okay, let's go to the next exercise. Now they give you the fact families and you have to relate it. Write the related fact for the fact family. You have 9, 9, and 18. Okay, so you know that you start with 9, smaller, and the other smaller, it's 9. Remember, this is double. So 9 plus 9, your answer is 18. Good job. Then you start using the 18 to make a subtraction, and you say 18 minus 9. Your answer is going to be 9, okay? You see, and they're all related because you start with 18 minus 9 and your answer is 9. So here is the same. 10, you start with 10 because it's addition. 10 plus 10, your answer is 20. And then you use the biggest number, in this case it's 20, you say 20 minus 10, good job, equals exactly 10. So we finished with this page. You can use this one, it's related, time to review, but I'm not gonna go through this. I want you to start doing the exercise for today. So today you have fact families for 13 and 14 missing addend. So we're going to start with these two exercises. And here you had 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 plus 7, it's 14. And how is 14 minus 7? 14 minus 7, it's 7. Good job. So what are the relative numbers here? You already have. There are three numbers that repeat. 7, another 7, and 14. Good job. So another way to doing it is that you have it here. And we start saying 6 plus 7. How much is 6 plus 7? You can start counting. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, or you can start using your fingers from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. So it's the same. 7 plus 6, just change the other, and because it's an addition, your answer will be the same, 13. How about now I change the position and I move the 13 and I say 13 minus 6 is 7. You see, you have the same number here. And then you have 13 plus 7, then you have 6. So pay attention to this one. First, you start saying 6 plus 7, it's 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. And then you use the 13 to make an addition. And first you start with 6 and then with 7. So if you have 6, your answer will be 7. If you have 7, your answer is going to be 6. So what are the fact families? 6, 7, and 13. Let's see. 6, 7, and 13. Let's go to exercise number 3. So now you have the fact family here. Oh, okay. Watch here first. You have 2 addition and then 2 subtractions. So here with the addition, you start with the smaller number, 4 and 9. And you say 4 plus 9 equals, you have the answer here, 13. Now you change the order and you say 9 plus 4 equals the same, remember? 13. Now we're going to make a subtraction. So we use 13 minus 4. You see, we start with 4 again. Ansel, your answer is going to be 9. Good job. Now it's going to be the opposite. You start with 13 minus 9, and your answer is going to be 4. Good job. Excellent. So let's do the same here. We're going to start with this exercise. Pay attention. Always you start with addition, and then you continue with the subtraction. So you have 6, 8, and 14. So you start using the smaller number 6, and you say 6 plus 8. Your answer, you have it here, it's 14. And then you change the order and you say 8 now plus 6. Your answer is 14. Good job. Now, remember I say you use the biggest number here, the number 14, and you start making an addition. You say 14 minus 6 first, 6. And you do another one, 14 minus 8. Okay, so 14 minus 6 is going to be 8. And 14 minus 8 is going to be, yes, good job, it's going to be 6. Complete the sentence. Maria made 9 teddy bears bookmarks. She needs 13 bookmarks for her friends. How many more does Maria need to make? Maria needs to make. So Maria start with 9 plus she needs 13 more. She needs 4 more to make 13. So 4, 13. You can say 13 minus 9 equals 4. So how much does she need to do? 4. Go to the next one. We're going to review this on Friday, so don't worry if you still have some problems. I'm going to try to review tomorrow too. But for now, let's do it together. Remember, here you have the answers, 5 plus 8, and then you have 8 plus 5. But here, look at this. They give you the answer, 13 minus 5, 13 minus 8. So 5 plus 8 is, yeah, 13. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 5, your answer, remember you have it here, it's 8. 13 minus 8 is going to be 5. So what are the facts, family, here? What are the numbers? You've got 5, you got 8, and then you got 13. Good job. Now they give you the fact families and you have to relate it. So remember, you always start with make an addition and then the subtraction. So you start 5 plus 9 equals 14. Good job. And then you say, remember, you just change the order in addition and you say 9 plus 5 equals 14. Good job. Let's go to the next one. 14 minus, start with 5 again. And you also say 14 minus 9. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5. Good job. So we're not going to do that one. We're going to finish here. Maybe you want to do the time to review. Just complete the expanded form. Complete the expanded form. Remember, when you got 20, you start with the tens and you say 20s plus 8. That's the expanded form. And you got 49. So you start with 40 plus 9. 49. Here you have 51. So you say 50. You start with tens and then the ones and 1. So here you got 80. Good job. And the ones, 3. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you have a great day and we see you tomorrow. And if you want to start with me and play with me at 1:30, we're going to have fun and painting. See you later.